In this video tutorial, I will provide you with instructions on how to get rid of the pop-up windows and intrusive advertisements coming from the website notificationsnews.com. In brief, this is a fake human verification alert. It tells that you need to click on Allow if you are not a robot. So when people mistakenly do that and click on Allow, their browser is immediately hijacked and infected. People start receiving the great portion of advertisements displayed in the right part of the computer screen. These ads are displayed as random push notifications, and in most of the cases they are not really decent because they may point you to many other deceptive or even malicious pages. As a result, your computer may be infected because of that. So you need to fix the issue. If the Allow button was clicked, you need to fix your browser immediately. Access the menu of the browser, go to Settings, go to Security and Privacy, then choose Site Settings, go to Permissions, select Notifications, and research the websites allowed to send notifications. When you find this site notificationsnews.com, click on this button and remove it from the list. I would also recommend researching your system additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.